Good afternoon, viewers. Today what we've got is an iPhone 11 earpiece speaker replacement. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get the earpiece speaker out. This is a solder job that requires soldering, so we're going to have to get the soldering iron out and swap the speakers over, but we're just going to get that out now. So we are going to remove the 3 screws that are holding in the iPhone, the 4 screws that are holding in the iPhone 11 earpiece speaker. You've got 3 crossheads and 1 tri-wing. Okay, now we've got the new speaker here. Just going to take it out of its packaging and give it a quick inspection just to make sure A, it's the right speaker and it's not for the, not for another model, because they look similar but they are different. And then also inspect the old one as well. If you like what we do here at NRC, then please by all means give us a subscribe. We are looking to improve and increase our subscriber count, so the more of you that do subscribe the better. It is appreciated. Now, as you can tell from this sort of interesting angle, I haven't actually got my camera set up on my scope yet, so I can't actually get a decent recording of anything that I'm doing under the scope. But what I'm doing here is I'm just desoldering the old earpiece flex from the actual speaker, and then once that's desoldered we'll grab the new one and then resolder it back on. Okay, here we've got the new one. Just going to get that resoldered. Once it's resoldered, we'll put it back together to the point of testing. Once it's been tested, we should know whether it's all good or not. And for reassembly, we just line up the earpiece speaker back up with the screen, screw it down, plug it in, and then yeah, that should be job done, obviously once we've tested. Okay, and after testing, that all seems to be fine, so we'll put that back together properly, and that is job done for today. Thank you very much. Hope you had a great day. Again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more.